Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, Soulful Summit is all about introspection, inspiration, and motivation. We dive deep into topics that help us grow and become the best versions of ourselves. So, if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, I want to talk about something that I'm sure many of us can relate to: spring cleaning. Now, I'm not talking about just cleaning out your physical space, but also about decluttering your life. And one aspect of that is decluttering your wardrobe and creating a capsule closet. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can cleaning out my closet have any impact on my life? Well, let me tell you, it can have a huge impact. Our physical environment has a direct influence on our mental and emotional well-being. When our space is cluttered and disorganized, it can create chaos in our minds as well. By decluttering your wardrobe and creating a capsule closet, you're not only simplifying your physical space, but you're also simplifying your life. You're getting rid of all those clothes that no longer serve you, that no longer make you feel confident and empowered. You're creating a space that is filled with only the things that bring you joy and make you feel amazing. And here's the thing. When you have a capsule closet, getting dressed in the morning becomes so much easier. You no longer have to spend hours trying to figure out what to wear because everything in your closet is something you love and feel great in. It saves you time, energy, and mental space. But it's not just about the practical benefits. Decluttering your wardrobe and creating a capsule closet is also a metaphor for decluttering your life. It's about letting go of things that no longer serve you, whether that's toxic relationships, negative self-talk, or limiting beliefs. It's about making space for new opportunities, new experiences, and new growth. So, my challenge to you today is to take a look at your wardrobe and start decluttering. Get rid of those clothes that no longer make you feel amazing and create a capsule closet that reflects who you truly are. And as you do that, think about how you can apply this same mindset to other areas of your life. Remember, life is too short to hold on to things that don't bring you joy. So let go, create space, and watch as new and exciting things start to flow into your life. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And as always, I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today on Soulful Summit. I hope you have a wonderful day, filled with love, joy, and growth. Until next time, take care and keep shining your light.